Feliz Año Nuevo. Happy New Year, abuelo, abuela, tio, tia. If practices are in order, we are beginning a new year and this is becoming normal. So I would very much like to wish all of you a happy new year. I hope everybody in your household are all well, safe, and we are going to get through this. We are going to get through this. Now, technology is a thing of a must, and we learn something new every day. All right, so let's see, what are we going to do in art today? Let me just get this to share. All right, so let's look. Today in art, we are looking at drawing. We're going to do drawing. All right. In our drawing, we are going to incorporate things that we know. We know about the half. We are looking at the half and we are looking at the quarter. All right, let's see how we're going to do that. So even though you're going to take your page, right? Remember, this is portrait. Remember, this is landscape. And on landscape, you're going to fold it in half like this, but not creasing, just to make a little dot here and here. Okay, the other alternative, we would have had to measure the whole length and divide it by 2. Shortcut way, just fold and put a little crease, not the whole page. We don't want the page crease. We want to find the midpoint or the halfway point of the line on its landform surface. Then we're going to draw the guidelines, right? Remember, to draw a line, you just need 2 points. So you hold down the ruler, that is from the crease, and draw your line across. Now remember to do this lightly. Now we're going to put 2 guidelines. So from that line that you drew across, you're going to measure 6 centimeters. So this is a guideline here. You put in your ruler at 6 centimeters, 0 centimeters, and draw your line across. All right, so let's go back to our fractions. Half, we could take a whole, fold it in 2 equal parts, we get a half. And when we fold it again, we can get a quarter. So when your page is like this, you're going to fold it like this, which is a half, and fold it like this, which is a quarter. Let me show you that again. So you have your whole page. Remember, when we fold in half, we just put a little dot here and here, draw a line, that's our guideline. Now we're going to fold it in half, right? Put a little dash here and then fold it again and we will get our 4 separations. Now notice I don't want the creases, right? Okay. Let's go back to screen share. Let me just, hold on. Let me just ensure something is missing here. Right. Let's go back here and I want to go back to screen share. That's it. Okay. So we saw 2. So we divide our page in. So we have our guidelines and you can see the slight lines for the quarters. Our page is divided into quarters from the current slide. Good. Let's get back there. Okay. Good. So in each quarter, within the guidelines space or the guideline area, each quarter in the guideline area, you will write the numbers 2, 0, 2, 1. So in this quarter area, you will write 2, this one, 0, 2, and 1, which is 2021, 2021. All right. So the first writing was like how you did it in first year infants. And let's get a little fancy. So this is our cursive writing. And we are looking at just these numbers here. All right. So you're going to adjust it right? You can look back. I'm going to just switch it back again. You can rewind, look back, look at the formation, and then do it. So if you look carefully at the two, you will see there's a circle at the top, and then it curves wide. It's narrow first, wide, then narrow. Then there's narrow, wide, then narrow. Narrow, wide, narrow, narrow, wide, narrow. Okay? And the one, it looks like a tick with a ball, and it extends to the ends. There we go. All right. So we have our guidelines are there. So we don't need it anymore. We are satisfied with what we're seeing here, and we're going to erase the guidelines. Okay, time to design. You're going to draw yourself on a wall looking up. So side profile, eyes looking up. You put your hair, well, my hair, I put my hair all out. This is a drawing of me. I'm looking up, one hand under my neck, another one under my shoulder. All right. And I want you to choose for your New Year's resolution, images for your New Year's resolution. So for New Year, for my year 2021, last year I started, 2 years now I've been learning how to play the guitar and I want to do it better. I also started ballet and I love gardening. So I got the images of these, right? And that is going to be in my poster. You're making a poster, right? This may not be your resolution. So I want you to go to clipart and find images of what it is you like, whether you want to read a book, right? Whether you want to do more reading, whether you want to do a language, um, or if you want to do art, if you want to do a specific thing in art, like probably embroidery, or you want to do painting, or you want to do sculpture, or you want to sing, right? What image you want for this year of yourself. A lot of you are in standard 4 or 5. And how about the logo of the school you want to attend? You can draw that because for 2021, that is your resolution. You want to get there. All right. Um, Also, it could also be for 2021, you want to learn to make better cakes. For 2021, you want to be a designer. Okay. So you find an image of what suits you fine. So I got these images which I like and I added it. So I want to play my guitar. I want to pray more, read my Bible more often. That's the image. I want to do my ballet a little better. I want to do my plans, handle my plans. And this is me, my wishes for 2021. So I'm going to stop. I'm going to show you my drawing. So from my drawing here, you can see, I'm going to show you what I want. I must have the image of you. Let me see, where is it? Where is it? Right, my hand is in. I want the image of you looking on. I want that image. Let me see if I pull it away. No, it's not going to show better. I want that image of you looking on, looking up at 2020. And I want you to give me, I'm saying 3. If you want to give 4, more than 4, 4 images of what it is you can see yourself in 2020. You go to clipart and you look for a simple image on your drawing. Now, girls, the more you draw, the better you will become. So this drawing exercise, some of you may get frustrated. Don't be. Remember, failure is a stepping stone to success. And the only way to success is to try. You've got to keep trying. So I want you to try. I want you to draw your images. Okay? So in our next lesson, we are going to be doing coloring. So I want your crayons and your colored pencils. Okay? But I want to see at least 3 drawings. At least 3 drawings means 3 or more than 3. All right? Okay, so now we cannot take it for granted when we are leaving. We can just walk out like that. If we are leaving, we are going somewhere. Please remember protocols, COVID protocols. All right. Don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly. Don't forget social distancing. And don't forget to wear your mask. All right. So I look forward to your work. Adios.